Today in this lesson I would like to show you how to find out the files and folders that are installed in our computer. I'm choosing D drive. So if I go to the search box and press star dot star, shift 8 for star, and if I hit enter, I will find all the files and folders that were installed in my PC. 39,873. Likewise, if I type doc, I will find all the documents that are saved in my G drive. If I press XLS, I will find all the Excel files that are available in my G drive. Likewise, PPT for PowerPoint, JPEG for JPEG, PNG for PNG images. It means whatever the files and folders that I have, the extension. That extension starts from the star, then extension, like MP4. I can find all the files and folders, all the files that are in MP4 format. One more thing is, there is one application called Everything. I have already installed it. I'll give you the link in the description below. If I go to search and type and choose everything in the drop down, it will show all the files and folders that are available in my C and D drive both. In the search, likewise audio for MP3, compressed for zip files, all the documents that are available in the C drive and D drive, executable files, all the folders only, all the pictures and all the videos. Thank you.